another dollar. Let's get it. So we just did a drop off. I'm kind of behind on time. So what we're gonna do? That's why we didn't take a video of it. But we have to go to a school, guys. So today we're doing like a family picnic at a school, and I have to stay there because I have to be someone has to be the attendant. So I'll just stay there. Luckily, I don't have to pick this up until about 5 o'clock. So it all works out. But I am running a little behind by like 10 minutes. Had goddamn a flat, so there's that. But we're on this interstate, guys. So let's get to it. Some cool cars, guys. This one. Cars. Okay. Local law enforcement out here too, guys. Yes, sir. See you guys in a second. Guys, so the event is now over. It's been a long one, man. We actually had problems with wind, where the wind speed was up to 21 miles per hour at one point. So we made it through, and now it's time to roll this stuff up and get out of here, guys.